Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can expand an image in the Adobe Firefly image generator or editor. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your image generation project on Adobe Firefly. I will go with this one here. Navigate to the given result in your image generation chat or conversation with the artificial intelligence, and click into this edit button in the top left corner. Select expand from that drop-down menu. That is going to redirect you to the editing panel or to the image editor. So here at the bottom you may, for example, crop your image to one of these aspect ratios like 1:1, 4:3, or with a freeform cropping tool by using these handles. So that's simple cropping. However, guys, if you'd like to expand the image, you may do the following. Make sure that you stay at the expand tab to the left, and here use that box to expand the canvas, for instance, like this. And you can do that also in the top left. And now what you can do, guys, is click into expand here. And after that, wait for the artificial intelligence to finish the expanding. Now that may or may not take a moment, of course. And there you go. So guys, as you can see, the image has been expanded, or in other words, there have been added more areas to the image and filled also with content based on your prompt. So make sure that your idea of the expanded version of your image aligns also with your prompt. If you want to reset this, click into this button, or you may navigate back to your prompt. And here, for instance, create a new prompt or add various changes and edits. So if you'd like to have the overall style or a tone or anything here changed, make sure that you enter it in that prompt so that this may be included also in the expanding. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.